Alright, it is 8:23 and I'm up here in Platteville. I just want to show you my area stations, of course, from over here. I am getting Waterloo, which is pretty nice. This is WXL94, not WXL57. Yeah, Dubuque is pretty close to Waterloo, so I'm getting this pretty well. And then this is Madison.
At Madison, it was mostly cloudy.
I don't know how close Waterloo is comparison to Madison, but I am getting Madison pretty well, because this transmitter is a better quality than, what is it? Waterloo.
Was clear. The temperature was 82.
Yeah, this is 1,000 watts with amplified power, as you could probably tell. Waterloo just has a plain old tower with a phone line. Alright, so now let's go ahead and show you some other stations I'm getting.
The temperature was 8 degrees. The index was 98. And green was
Waterloo Climate Center in there. I did get Dixon, Illinois.
the pressure was 29.86 inches and falling.
Here's WWG86.
Airport, it was clear.
This station is operated by La Crosse. And then this station here is actually, this station's programmed by the Quad Cities office, but it's actually located in Wisconsin, right across from the Mississippi River. So technically this transmitter is actually in the La Crosse County warning area, but it's still programmed by the Quad Cities since it's covering Dubuque. So that's pretty interesting. A weather radio transmitter in a different county warning area that's actually programmed by their office, so that's nice.
Tonight, partly cloudy. Scattered showers.
You could probably tell because this station's loud and clear.
Low in the upper 60s. West wind 5 to 10
Well, I
miles
haven't
an
gotten
hour.
Milwaukee, so that's a good sign. Getting this loud and clear.
Index readings 1997. Central Wisconsin and southeast Wisconsin. For tonight, scattered severe thunderstorms.
Yeah, I'm not in the enhancer anymore. They shifted it.
Localized streets. West winds 5 to 10 miles
This
an
station's in the same county as the Dubuque transmitter.
Partly cloudy with a 40%
Prairie du
chance of
Chien.
showers and thunderstorms in the upper 60s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
This station,
Highest heat index readings.
this is WWG89.
This is no weather radio WWG86.
These are repeaters. This is Richland Center.
On 162.475 from the National Weather Service Office in La Crosse, Wisconsin. The current time. Hours. Prior to storming, high temperature should. High temperature will. miles today, which leaves the monthly total
This is
at 0.44
KZZ83
inches.
Makokata.
The total
This is in Iowa.
still stands at 17.2. The record time for tomorrow occurred in 1936.
This is the
and
Moline
record
climate
low
summary
is
here.
44, which occurred in 1984. Sunset tonight is at 8:42 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 5:33 a.m. You're listening to NOAA weather radio station KZZ83 in Makokata. The current time is 8:29.
Yeah, I got this station once in Morton, actually.
At 8 p.m. exit skies were clear. The temperature
And
was
it was back when they had the
71,
CRS.
relative humidity 69%, producing a heat index of 86. The wind was southwest at 8 miles an hour. And the pressure was 29.92 inches and falling. Close to home, Cedar Rapids clear at 83. Monticello 84.
Well, this station only provides the Dubuque report.
City clear at 85. Rockford clear at 85.
These guys probably want to provide the report for the Quad Cities, too.
Sterling, Rockfall,
Wonder if we'll get
83. Around the
WXL22
Midwest,
over here.
Chicago partly
Probably
cloudy
not.
at 87. Des Moines partly cloudy at 88. Madison partly cloudy at 84.
If I get anything, it's probably going to be WWG 90 and Janesville.
Omaha
Because
partly
that
cloudy
station,
at
I think,
93.
has a cellular
St. Louis
one,
partly
too.
cloudy. Madison mostly cloudy and 84.
And then here
Milwaukee,
is
partly cloudy at
Dubuque.
88.
Actually,
Minneapolis,
technically, it's
partly cloudy
Kenneth,
and 88.
Wisconsin.
Midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. A 50% chance of rain. Wisconsin and nearby cities. Degrees, the 2.68, and the relative humidity is 58%. The winds were southwest at 7 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.88 inches and steady. And when it was clear, the temperature was 82. The hydroplaning was clear. It was there. And all along it was clear. It was 84. Sunday. Tuesday night, another extent. Isolated hail greater than 2 inches in diameter is possible. Over central Wisconsin, an isolated tornado cannot be ruled out. However,
Hopefully we
the
won't.
tornado threat appears low at this time.
Hopefully, we're not going to get any
Indices will
bad
reach into the
warnings
95
in
to 100
Platteville.
range this hour. Reported during the past 24 hours. At Prairie du Chien, this afternoon's high was 90. This morning's low was 66, and no precipitation was reported during the past 24 hours. At Lone Rock, this afternoon's high was 89. This morning's low was 63, and 1/100 of an inch of precipitation was reported during the past 24 hours. At Dubuque, this afternoon's high was 87. This morning's low was 64, and no precipitation was reported during the past 24 hours. And now a look at your forecast for southwest Wisconsin. Tonight, partly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Or 7 inches. No snow felt, which leaves the monthly total at 0. The clouds can be clear at 87 degrees. The normal high is 5 from the 5 to 10. For Saturday night, mostly clear in the evening, then partly to be possible. Only clear and 8. Is 72. No precipitation felt today.
This is KJY64, Delaware County. This is KZZ56 Freeport.
And the record low is 44, which occurred in 1984.
Unless this is Freeport.
Sunset tonight is at 8:42 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 5:33 a.m. You are listening to NOAA weather radio station KJY64 in Delaware.
Yeah, that's KJY64.
Current time is to eastern Wisconsin. High temperatures should climb. 90 is expected once again along the line. The thunderstorms should drop southeast through the region during the evening hours, exiting the state near of just after midnight. Monday into Tuesday. The threat for severe weather thunderstorms cannot be ruled out at this time. There is a risk of active rain late this evening and overnight. The over portion of Illinois.
I heard at 10:50.
Wisconsin. Tonight. Its summary show this location.
Here goes the EOM.
This is NOAA Weather Radio.
Well, there goes.
86.
Well, there goes an actual EAS during a DX sequence, which is pretty interesting. I'm hoping that there's nothing to worry about here in Platteville. Storms have yet to get here. Yeah. Still trying to figure out where that warning was because I could not identify that station. If it's in Illinois or Iowa, I gotta check it out because I manage a Illinois weather outlook organization. So I'll have to get back to the hotel now and I'll have to verify where that warning was. And in the meantime, I'll check, see what else I'm getting.
Expected to move into northern Illinois. Scattered showers and thunderstorms.
WWG 89.
Some of the thunderstorms could be severe with damaging winds and large hail. Some reported as of 4 p.m. July 27th. Today's high temperature was 87 degrees. The normal high is 82. The record high is 100, which was in 1936.
I got cross middle street here. I'm in the middle of the street here. Don't want to get no one's license plate in the video. Damn, these cars are too loud. I can't identify them.
The total precipitation still stands at 17 inches. The normal height is 85. Here is the Duluth. It was partly the 2.100, 1936, and the record is 44.
So that must have been a different.
Sunrise tomorrow at 5:30. Humidity 72%.
Well, I guess that's going to be it for now. While I head on back to my hotel here. All right, thank you guys for watching here.